Overlooking the beach and along the private pool is the resort's signature hotspot, the Bamboo Beach Tiki Bar and Cafe, which has become party central for tourists, locals, pro athletes, and VIPs alike. Are you ready to ascend to the ultimate level in vacation luxury? Welcome to Ocean Manor, the first resort along the famed Galt Ocean Mile. The OM offers a 200-foot private beach, a rare amenity today. The new look and relaxed atmosphere have already caught the attention of the A-list, including pro athletes and MTV stars. The new multi-million-dollar VIP penthouses at the Ocean Manor Resort in Fort Lauderdale have been dubbed Heaven on 11. And the moment you ascend to the top floor, the reasons become obvious. Unwind under the expansive thatched roof while eating, drinking, watching sporting events, and enjoying live music. Individually decorated, each penthouse exudes its own sophisticated style with contemporary decor, spa-inspired baths, full state-of-the-art kitchens, expansive patios which showcase panoramic scenes of the resort's private beach and the dazzling city skyline. Ascend to the ultimate level in vacation luxury. To learn more, visit www.oceanmanor.com or call us at 800-955-0444.